Hey guys, I'm new to YouTube and I am Invades, and this is
Aussie Sensation.
this is our very first video, and today we are going to be playing Flappy Bird with a twist. And the twist is every time we don't make it past 10, then we get a slap. So it's not going to be very good. Alright, let's get started. I'll go first.
And you go first.
We've got a bit of delay here, guys. Just hold up a sec.
We've got to crop that out.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Oh shit, alright, go. Go. Oh! Oh, man.
Okay, my turn.
Oh, shit, go on. Oh. Fucking die, you're gonna fucking die, man. Go, come on, fucking die. Oh, fuck you.
Oh, fuck.
Suck on that, you
Oh,
bitch. Fuck
that
off.
fucking hurts so
Yeah,
much.
you fucking bitch. Suck on that. Alright, let's go.
Oh.
Come on, reach 10, let's go.
Oh, that fucking hurt.
Yes.
You feel the intensity?
Fuck! No! Alright. Oh, damn! Oh, fuck! That kills!
You bitch, now you know how it
Oh. Oh, man, you shot like a bitch. Fucking little brat. Oh, yeah.
Fuck.
Alright, here we go.
Oh.
Yeah, suck on that, dick.
Oh.
Fuck yeah. Little bitch. Let's go, come on, make it to that
Man,
10.
I'm gonna fucking...
Let's go. Fucking pussy looking cunt. Fuck. Fuck you.
I'm
Go.
gonna backhand this one.
No, fuck off, fuck. Oh, fuck, that kills. Oh, that was a... Fuck. You suck as much dick as a fucking prostitute. You
Mate.
fucking get to work, right? Oh, fucking... Oh, it fucking kills. Oh, you're gonna fucking lose, you fucking shit there. Oh,
No.
suck shit, mate.
No. Oh, what the fuck? I wasn't even
Yeah,
ready.
So,
Wasn't even
it's
ready
fucking
for that.
too bad, you gotta be ready. Mate, I was fucking born ready.
Next one.
Oh, come on. Yes, lads! Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, alright, yes, I saved myself. Fuck yeah.
Okay.
Right, let's go. Right, let's go. You got fucking
You
words.
got-
I want to fucking slap you. Oh, look at that. Your face is red.
I know,
Oh,
it
suck on
fucking
fuck.
hurts so much.
Suck on that. Suck on that. You fucking twat. You're gonna fucking lose, man. Well, look out, there's a
Fuck
pipe.
up, no. Oh, you fucker.
Sucked on that. Anyway, this has been Invades and Aussie Sensation here.
Make sure you hit that like button.
Comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video.